Hello and welcome to Open Pakistan webinar series. The Open Pakistan webinar series is an initiative of Open Program for Pakistan. These programs provide professional development opportunities to English language teachers and learners all across Pakistan. These programs include Open Global Online Courses, Massive Open Online Courses, webinar series, and then engaging our alumni into different productive activities. The program is fully funded by the Regional English Language Office, RELO at the US Embassy Islamabad. Evolution is the local implementing partner in Pakistan. Today we are broadcasting our webinar 4.8. The topic for the webinar is English Teaching Forum, a database of articles offered by americanenglish.state.government for ELT community. The presenter for the webinar is Yusuf Khan. Yusuf Khan is a subject specialist in English. He has done masters in English and holds a bachelor degree in education. He is an e-teacher alumnus. Under this program, he has completed an online course of 8 weeks on TESOL methodology from University of Maryland. In addition, he has completed several MOOCs offered by American English, including critical thinking, using educational technology and content-based instruction. He has attended most of American English Live webinar series. Yusuf Khan is also an alumnus of Teacher Excellence and Achievement Program. In 2019, he has visited Virginia Tech University, USA for an intensive 6-week teacher training program, which was sponsored by RELO Pakistan. He has also offered mentorship services in e-teacher mentorship program.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm thankful to Open English Pakistan for offering another opportunity to present in the webinar series. So today I'm going to talk about American English Teaching Forum. It is a database of articles offered by American English.state.gov for ELT community. And it is a magazine which offers free articles for the teacher community to read out and also to present in this magazine by writing articles. So I'm also going to um, talk about two articles which I selected. Give you a glimpse at the standard of articles available in this magazine. So what is American English Teaching Forum? It is a teaching forum which is a sort of a quarterly journal which is published for teacher community, and it is full of innovative and practical ideas for teacher community to grasp, and it is offered by U.S. Department of State, and it publishes around 60,000 copies of this magazine distributed around 100 countries all the way. And it also welcomes submissions from English teachers all around the world to present their ideas, their innovations, and their learnings to their writing to be published in the forum. So, and the U.S. embassies are responsible for distributing this magazine all around the world. And if you want a hard copy of it, so you can subscribe yourself by reaching out to your embassy, and you can get a hard copy of this magazine at your home. Otherwise, you can also get soft copy of it, or you can go to the website and read it online. It's up to you, whichever version you like most. So let's see what this teaching forum is about, what audience is catered for. So it is for adult learners, advanced learners, beginners, intermediate, primary school teachers, secondary school teachers, university school teachers, and young learners. So it means that any type of teacher or educator professional can take help from it according to their interest and level. And what is a database comprises of? Database gives you articles on critical thinking, on grammar, integrated skills, listening, speaking, reading, writing, pragmatics, pronunciation, classroom management, technology, and web literacy. So you can get all type of categories to take help from and enjoy it. So and learn from it too. So let's suppose you want any interest. So this magazine is for you. You are definitely going to find an article of your interest, and that will be very authentic and standard. And so let's go into the website and have a look at the database that how this is presented. Okay. Let me go to the website. Okay, here we go. So this is our website, American English. By the way, this website is also helpful for different resources. You are new into it, so you can go to different resources and take help of it. And these are completely free. But as for time being, I'm going to talk about English Teaching Forum. So here is our title which you are going to go into. So just simply click on it and you will get into the interface. So this is your teaching forum. It is a quarterly journal for English teachers. So there are three categories. One is current issue. Here the articles presented in the current magazines are available here. Or if you want to go to article that was published 10 years ago, so you can click here, or you want to go into the past issue, so you just click here. But for myself, the simplest way I would suggest you is that go to the keyword, and here you can find the articles with ease. Let's suppose I want to check an article from 2013. So just simply I will write 2013, and when I click on go, so I will be getting the search entries, search results. Look, so here the article of 2013, magazines of 2013, volume number is written over there, their sequence number. So just simply, and here is a slide, you can say introduction of this magazine, that what this magazine is showing, the keywords available in the magazine. So you just can go, let's suppose here it is the motorcycles are focus for the feature article, and then there is both are the focus of the feature article. So just from this one sentence, you can get a glimpse at what this magazine is about, and then you can get into it. Or you can type any type of topic. Let's suppose you want to find an article on classroom management, so just click on it, and then you click on go. So you will find articles related to classroom management. Teacher development, work is in a reality classroom using robust reasoning to find out and look. So the articles will be classroom. So this is the way how you're going to find out different articles. Here you can see the categories: critical thinking, grammar, reading skill, reading, speaking. So possibilities are English. So whatever you want to read about, you can find it here. So now I'm going to go to the couple of articles which I have selected to present to you people to let you see that what is the standard of this American English Teaching Forum and how helpful the articles are. So let's get back into our slide. Okay. So first article which I have selected is related to the present conditions due to Corona. We are forced to use online teaching, online tools for our classroom. So this article is about digital aid categories and easily enhancing your teaching practice with technology. And it is written by Valery Sarkor from Kazakhstan. And here, this was published in English Teaching Forum 2020, volume number 58 and number 3. So this article encourages teachers who are not yet tech savvy, means that they are not well versed or well established in online teaching. They are new to online teaching, so that how they can use online software and resources by linking with their tablets, smartphones, etc. to use them in classroom, and they don't feel shy because normally the students who are the teachers, sorry, the teachers who are new to online teaching, so feel a bit shy to using online tools and technologies. So this article is for them to help them learn online teaching. So let's get into the article and see that how the articles look like and mm, what is this about. So let me change the screen once again. Okay, so here we are in our article. So this is the interface how the articles selection will look like. So here you can see different articles. When you click on plus sign, so you can see uh, a slide introduction about the article, the author name, and then when you click on text PDF, so you will get into the article. So here you can see the formation of the article. So it's completely authentic based on international standards. So you will be sure that whatever you're reading over here is completely cited, it's copyrighted, and it's completely authentic without any plagiarism. So you will be at ease. So look, so here the writer has written about that sometimes you feel shy and using smartphone and computer, laptop, but you are going to use it because it is a need of the day. So here the writer has written that this article seeks to encourage those who are yet not tech savvy to start reaching out using online software resources that link smartphone, laptop in order to successfully teach anywhere around the world remotely. So it trains uh, the teachers to teach online. So look, so this is a complete, you can say, complete article. It touches each and every aspect. Look, here there are 6 point advice to the teachers that what they are supposed to do, so they can follow this advice and it can help them. So you can assign tools to your students, and but the section which I like most in this article is that the writer has presented a few resources which are useful for teaching online, just like Flipgrid. Then there is another tool, Kahoot, hp5.org. Then there is vocabulary.com. I have presented a webinar on this article, this tool. And then there is Goodchase, extendeverything.com, visual.com. So look, here the writer has given us the advices that how we are going to use online teaching. And then he has also given us tools and resources to use these resources in our online classroom. So this is a very helpful article, and you have also seen the standard of articles. And look, here is written, and there is complete references about this article that from where the author has gathered the data. So look, you can see it means that it's completely authentic and it can be used easily. And most importantly, it can also give us uh, uh, and you can say an instant that how we are going to write articles for magazines and journals. So next article is about how to write for ELT conference abstract. It is a hot topic nowadays because Valor Pakistan is offering different opportunities for participating in conferences, presenting over there. So you need to write proposals. And this article, by the way, has helped me a lot in writing proposals. I have been able to present in English Language Expo of 2020, and this article helped me a lot. And recently, I have also been selected to teach an Open English virtual conference, which is going to happen on 31st of January um, this month. So I'm also, my proposal is also successful for this conference, and this article helped me a lot in doing this. So this is written by Ginelli Sowell from United States, and this article is about that how you're going to write abstract for conferences and how you can compose it, go step by step, and how you can make your proposal forced to get accepted. So let's get into the article without wasting any time and see that what this article tells us about. Let me change the screen once again if we can get into the article. So here it is. This is our article, How to Write ELT Conference Extract, and this was published in American Institute Forum 2019, volume number 57 and number 4. So you can search it out over there or simply write the title, as I told you, to write the keyword. So let's click on the text box, text PDF. So here it is. This is our article, and it is around 22 pages article, and it touches each and every aspect of writing aspect for conferences, especially because for conferences you need proposals which are eye catchy, which are innovative, which are unique, and which help uh, the reviewers, which help the article accept some people who accept your proposal, that the person who is proposing knows everything what he is going to do in the conference. So, uh, what the author wants to do, tell in this article is that he wants to explain what the conference extract is, what challenges a conference extract present to you, what suggestion you need to write, and there is outline of other requirements. It tells us about criteria, rubrics, everything which is helpful for writing conference essays. Themes. For example, normally there are conferences which are based on a specific theme. So they here it talks about themes. For example, the recent Open Virtual Conference is the theme of online teaching. So how you're going to write down different themes, and then there is guidance about that what time you have time allowed, about the audience, every length of key components, each and everything which is needed to write a breakthrough um, proposal to be accepted. Then there is different components of abstract. It is written about those components, and there is detail of all these components which are needed to be touched upon when you're writing a well published essay. And then he has also given us uh, sample full conference abstract to take help from and see that what the people have the people how the people have written proposals which are successful and which have been accepted readily. So these are different, and then he talks about the style, that what type of style we should use while writing proposals or abstract for conferences. So he talks about style. So in nutshell, he talks about every aspect. Then he gives a checklist that when we are done with our article, when we are done with our proposal, so we go to the checklist and see that we have done each and everything right, so that get our proposal accepted. And again, there are references available, so it means that article is completely authentic and ready to be used. So let's go back to our presentation once again. And another section, very important section, is in this American English Teaching Forum. It is a part of every magazine is My Classroom. And My Classroom, different teachers tell about their classroom, that how their classrooms are, what techniques they are using, and what takeaways the reader can get from their classroom. In every magazine, there is a section of My Classroom. So let's have a look on Classroom. And let me go back to the My Classroom. Yes. So simply, you just write My Classroom in the keyword again, and when you click on it, so here you will find different classrooms. So there is a teacher from Burma who has talked about his classroom, then a teacher from Morocco, Mexico, Turkmenistan. So different teachers write about their classroom, and we can take help from their classroom, and we can apply certain techniques which are applicable in our community, and we can use them. So this section is very helpful. So do use it, and it will help you a lot. Let us go back to our slide once again. Another thing I want to talk about, which I like a lot, and especially I like the most, is Reader's Guide. Reader Guide is also a important section and a compulsory section in every magazine, just like My Classroom, in which there are sections given about the articles, and there are questions about the article that so you can understand the article very well, and you can think about the article and talk about that article. Let's go practically into it and see what is this about. Mm, so let me go back to our browser once again and see that how this reader's corner looks like. Okay, so look, when you see in the table of contents, so there are different articles, and here is Reader's Guide. When you click on Reader's Guide, let us click on it, and when you click on Text PDF, so it has opened. So it is a sort of an assessment activity for UPC. For example, I am reading the magazine, so I have read different articles. Now, you go into the reader section, and then you will see different brainstorming discussion type of question about the article which you have read. for pre-reading, for post-reading, and then you can think about this article. And when you answer to these questions, so automatically you will have understood the article well. Let's suppose there is the article which I have read in this magazine is about movable classroom. So then when you look at number one, in your classes, how much time do students typically spend moving around? So these type of questions help you relate this article to your teaching setting, which you're teaching in your school, in your community. So these type of questions force you to think about the article related to your own setting and also think about innovation. So in for about every article, you would find these brainstorming questions, these discussion questions. So it will help you that you will not only be reading the article, in fact, you are getting deep into the article and trying to answer these questions. You will understand the article and it will help you to innovate it, modify it, and use it for your own setting. So I like this reader corner section very much. So, and this reader corner section is available for almost every magazine, and it can help you a lot. Uh, okay, let's go back to our English Teacher Forum again, once again. So this is how you're going to use Teaching English Forum.
Thank you so much, Yusuf, for presenting such a wonderful webinar presentation. If you have comments, questions, and or suggestions, please write to us on eteacher@evolution.com.pk. Till then, happy teaching and learning.